Crunch and clap exercises are a dynamic and effective way to enhance your core strength and coordination. To perform this exercise, start by lying flat on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the ground. Place your hands behind your head to support your neck. Engage your core muscles and lift your upper body off the ground into a crunch position. As you reach the peak of the crunch, bring your arms forward and clap your hands together above your knees. This movement not only targets the rectus abdominis, but also engages the obliques and transverse abdominis for a comprehensive abdominal workout. The clap adds an extra element of challenge by incorporating upper body movement, which helps improve coordination and timing. To maximize the benefits, perform the crunch and clap exercise in a controlled manner, focusing on the contraction of your abdominal muscles and maintaining proper form. Aim for 3 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions, gradually increasing the intensity as your core strength improves. Adding this exercise to your routine can help sculpt and tone your midsection while enhancing overall core stability. Remember to breathe steadily throughout the exercise, exhaling as you crunch up and clap, and inhaling as you lower back down. With consistency and proper technique, crunch and clap can be an excellent addition to your fitness regimen, contributing to a stronger and more defined core. Leg raises and double crunches are a powerful combination for targeting the lower and upper abdominal muscles simultaneously. To perform leg raises, start by lying flat on your back with your hands placed under your hips for support. Keep your legs straight and together, then slowly lift them towards the ceiling until they form a 90-degree angle with your torso. Engage your core throughout the movement to prevent your lower back from arching off the ground. Once your legs are raised, slowly lower them back down without letting them touch the floor to maintain tension on your abs. Immediately transition into double crunches by bringing your knees toward your chest while simultaneously lifting your shoulders off the ground, aiming to touch your elbows to your knees. This combination move ensures that both the lower and upper abs are intensely worked. Focus on controlled movements and proper form to avoid straining your neck or lower back. Perform 3 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions, adjusting the number of reps based on your fitness level. Incorporating leg raises and double crunches into your routine can significantly enhance your core strength, improve muscle definition, and contribute to a more sculpted midsection. Consistency and correct execution are key, so be sure to maintain a steady breathing pattern, exhaling as you lift and crunch, and inhaling as you lower back down. This dual-action exercise not only builds abdominal endurance, but also promotes overall core stability, making it an effective addition to any workout regimen aimed at achieving a stronger and more defined core. Pseudo-planche push-ups are an advanced and highly effective exercise for building upper body and core strength. To perform this exercise, begin in a traditional push-up position, but place your hands closer to your waist rather than under your shoulders. This adjustment shifts more of your body weight onto your arms, mimicking the hand placement of a planche. From this position, engage your core, glutes, and legs to maintain a straight line from head to heels. Lower your body towards the ground by bending your elbows, keeping them close to your sides. As you push back up to the starting position, focus on maintaining stability and control, ensuring that your hips do not sag and your back remains straight. The pseudo-planche push-up primarily targets the chest, shoulders, and triceps, while also engaging the core and lower back for stabilization. This exercise is particularly beneficial for those looking to progress towards the full planche, as it builds the necessary strength and balance. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions, adjusting based on your current strength level and gradually increasing as you become more comfortable with the movement. To maximize the effectiveness of pseudo-planche push-ups, maintain a slow and controlled tempo, emphasizing muscle engagement throughout the entire range of motion. Incorporating this challenging exercise into your routine can significantly enhance your upper body strength, improve muscle definition, and contribute to overall functional fitness. Consistency, proper form, and gradual progression are key to mastering pseudo-planche push-ups and reaping their full benefits. Side bridge side plank is an excellent exercise for strengthening the obliques, improving core stability, and enhancing overall body balance. To perform this exercise, start by lying on your side with your legs extended and your feet stacked on top of each other. Place your elbow directly beneath your shoulder, forming a straight line from your head to your feet. Engage your core and lift your hips off the ground, creating a straight line with your body. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds, focusing on maintaining proper alignment and keeping your hips elevated. For added challenge, you can extend your free arm towards the ceiling or lift your top leg slightly. To intensify the workout, transition into a side bridge by lowering and raising your hips in a controlled manner. This dynamic movement not only targets the obliques but also engages the glutes, lower back, and shoulders. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions per side, gradually increasing the duration and intensity as your strength improves. Side bridge side plank is an effective addition to any fitness routine, promoting core strength, balance, and stability. Consistency and proper form are crucial to maximize the benefits and prevent injury. Ensure to breathe steadily throughout the exercise, exhaling as you lift and inhaling as you lower. Incorporating side bridge side plank into your workouts can help sculpt and tone your midsection, enhance your posture, and contribute to overall functional fitness. This exercise is suitable for all fitness levels, with modifications available to match individual capabilities and goals. Sit-ups are a classic and highly effective exercise for strengthening the abdominal muscles and improving core stability. To perform a sit-up, start by lying on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the ground, about hip-width apart. Place your hands behind your head or cross them over your chest. Engage your core and lift your upper body off the ground, bringing your chest towards your knees. Focus on using your abdominal muscles to lift rather than pulling on your neck or head. Once you reach the top of the movement, slowly lower yourself back down to the starting position in a controlled manner. This exercise targets the rectus abdominis, which is the main muscle responsible for the six-pack look, as well as the hip flexors and lower back muscles. Performing sit-ups regularly can help improve posture, enhance athletic performance, and reduce the risk of lower back pain by strengthening the muscles that support the spine. Aim for 3 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions, adjusting the number of reps based on your fitness level. For added intensity, you can incorporate variations such as weighted sit-ups, decline sit-ups, or sit-ups with a twist to target the obliques. Consistency and proper form are key to maximizing the benefits of sit-ups and preventing injury. Be sure to breathe steadily throughout the exercise, exhaling as you lift and inhaling as you lower. Incorporating sit-ups into your workout routine can help you achieve a stronger, more defined core and contribute to overall functional fitness.